Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this simple question. We are asked to find the area of the triangle ABC given that the side length AC is 1 meter. Alright, so it means that from A to C is 1 meter. And you can see it passes through the center, which implies that AC is the diameter of this particular cycle. And according to cycle theorem, it stated that the diameter always subtends an angle of 90 degrees to the circumference, which means that this is 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, we have a right angle triangle here. So which formula should we apply? The area is equal to half times the base times the height. I want to consider AB as the base. So this is 1/2 multiplied by AB multiplied by the height, which is going to be BC. And hence we have to find the side lengths AB and BC. Let's start with AB. Already we have this side to be 1 meter. So what is the relationship between this side, and this particular acute angle? You can see that this is hypotenuse and this is opposite side, right? So we have to use sine ratio, which means that sine of 45 degrees is equal to opposite, which is AB, divided by hypotenuse, which is 1. And you can multiply both sides by 1, which implies that AB is equal to sine 45 degrees, which is square root of 2 divided by 2. Alright, now to find this side, what is the relationship between this side, and this acute angle? Cosine, which is adjacent, divided by hypotenuse. So cosine of 45 degrees is equal to adjacent side, which is BC, divided by hypotenuse, which is 1. If you multiply both sides by 1, you have that BC is just equal to cosine of 45 degrees, which is equal to root 2 divided by 2. Alright, so we are free to substitute these two back here. Finally, the area of that triangle is equal to half. The base is square root of 2 divided by 2. The height is also square root of 2 divided by 2. The diagram is not drawn on scale, you should know that. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which is simply 2, right? Times 1 is 2. The bottom we have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So this is 8. And to the simplest form we have 1/4. So the area is 1/4 meter squared. Or you can write it in decimal, which is 0.25, right? Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.